morning, myself Putra Samay, and this is my friend Aslan Mullah, and we are really delighted to present this case study for the subject from campus to corporate. So let's move to the presentation. Okay, so this is a hypothetical case study, and we delve into a company, medical equipment, and diagnostic sector. And please note that this company is entirely fictional and serves as the backdrop of our analysis. So our objective is to address six key questions that encompasses the company's domain, customers, products, and strategic directions. We will explore various aspects from data collection and analysis to machine learning models, cloud solutions, best practices, and quality testing. So, as we embark upon this journey, we aim to demonstrate our understanding of critical concepts in the field of technology and healthcare solutions. We welcome your questions and the feedback at the conclusion of our presentation.
Okay, I'll take over from here. Now let's take a closer look at previous slide, Prithvi. Now let's take a closer look at a hypothetical company's background. The company we are examining today, although entirely hypothetical, provides us with valuable context for analysis. This company exists in the medical equipment and diagnostic industry, an area that calls for precision and innovation. In our completely fictional scenario, this company boasts of 50 years of experience and a workforce of over 1,000 employees. Their product portfolio includes a range of diagnostic machines such as stress test equipment, blood pressure monitors, cardiograms, and CT scans. While the company may be entirely fictional, the challenges and opportunities we explore are very much grounded in the real world principles. Next slide. Now, the first question that we study, we first describe the domain customer product strategy. So let's dive deeper into the heart of a hypothetical situation. Company which examining four key dimensions that provide comprehensive understanding the domain, customer base, products, and strategic direction. First, in the domain aspect, our imaginary company finds its footing in the vibrant and critical medical equipment and diagnostic industry. The domain plays a pivotal role in healthcare, facilitating accurate diagnosis and treatment. Now, turning to the customers, our company caters to a diverse clientele. This includes healthcare professionals who rely on the precision of our diagnostic machines. It extends to the patients who entrust us with their health data, understanding the impact it can have on their lives. Additionally, our potential customers could be individuals using smartwatches and health monitoring devices looking for ways to monitor their health, being proactively. When we discuss products, our company specialization comes to the forefront. They manufacture a comprehensive range of diagnostic machines. This improves portfolio includes stress test equipment, blood pressure monitors, cardiograms, CT scans, and many more. These devices are the cornerstone of accurate health assessments. Now let's touch upon strategy. In this hypothetical scenario, a company is not just reactive but forward thinking. The strategic plan revolves around harnessing the power of technology and data. The goal is to provide accessible data-driven healthcare solutions. This includes initiatives like digitalizing healthcare solutions. This includes initiatives like digitalizing health monitoring, enabling patients to monitor their health with the help of mobile app, and exploring partnerships with smartwatch companies to integrate health stats into the analysis. While a company may be a creation of imagination, the principles we explore in these domains are rooted to the best practices of the real world. We aim to provide a comprehensive picture of this fictional yet thought-provoking scenario. Next slide, please.
Okay, so let's look at the question number 2. So that is, what kind of data would we be collecting, and research on it, and discuss how this company can potentially use data science and analysis to provide valuable insights to our customers. So in our Envision company, we collect a wealth of diverse data types. That is, includes patient health data, metrics sourced from smartwatches, historical data, and even lifestyle data. So the scope and the depth of our data collection are not just extensive but profoundly valuable. To truly unlock the potential of this data, our company harnesses the power of data science and analysis, and these advanced techniques pave the role for providing our customers with highly personalized insights and recommendations. So, picture this for a moment: predictive analytics that foresees health trends before they even emerge. Consider the possibilities of comparative analysis, where individuals can benchmark their health against those with similar profiles. Envision the convenience of remote monitoring, enabling healthcare professionals to oversee patient health from remote locations. But that's not all. Data visualization plays a pivotal role here. It transforms complex data into accessible, comprehensible information. Patients and healthcare professionals alike benefit from clear graphical representation that facilitate informed decision making. Now, as we scrutinize and interpret the data we have gathered, our company can offer tailored personal recommendations to our users. These recommendations encompasses a wide spectrum of health-related advice, from dietary adjustments and exercise routines to stress management techniques. It's akin to having a virtual health advisor at your fingertips, tailored to your unique health profile. While the specifics of this case study are laid out for the illustrative purposes, the real-world implications of data science and analysis in the healthcare sector are incredibly promising. The power of data to transform and enhance the healthcare outcomes is a field of exploration and holds vast potential and immense significance. Moving to next slide.
Okay, moving to the next slide. The next question is, if we wanted to use ML for analyzing data and coming up with recommendation to customers, what kind of ML model would we use at a high level, and would it work? So, to answer that question, we first the chosen ML model for this ambitious endeavor is collaborative filtering. This model operates on a fundamental principle, understanding the preferences and behavior of similar users to provide insightful recommendations. As an example, let's consider a scenario. Imagine two users with similar health profiles and lifestyle choices. User A successfully incorporated dietary changes and stress management techniques for improved health. Collaborative filtering leverages these examples to provide user B with personalized recommendation tailored for their unique health journey. To fuel our collaborative filtering model, we draw data from various sources. This includes user data, similarity metrics, historical health data, and even crowdsourced data. Combining these sources enriches our analysis, making it robust and comprehensive. Now how does it all work at a higher level? Imagine the collaborating filtering model as your digital health advisor. It begins by identifying choices users with similar health profiles and lifestyle choices. By analyzing these profiles, the model gains the ability to unearth patterns and relationships that are not immediately evident. The output of this ML model is nothing short of remarkable, individualized recommendations that can significantly improve the health and well-being of our users. So to summarize this, ML-driven transformation has the potential to enhance the quality of life and health outcomes. It's about harnessing technology to provide personalized health advice, making a meaningful difference in the lives of users. Next slide.
So, in our journey, we have arrived at a pivotal decision making. Choosing the right cloud solution, a key step in our hypothetical scenario. So, first and the foremost, we need to establish a clear understanding of specific requirements for each of our use cases. And this meticulous approach ensures that we align the cloud solutions with our diverse needs. Now, we are presented with a crucial choice, selecting a cloud service provider that is akin to picking the ideal tool for a specific task. In our scenario, we might consider major cloud providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. As we explore these providers, we assess their capabilities in depth, scrutinizing their features and capabilities to determine the best fits for our needs. Our assessment delves into various aspects, including scalability, data storage capacity, data processing capabilities, compliance with healthcare standards, and stringent security measures, which is essential. Financial consideration come into play as well. We engage in a comprehensive cost analysis, calculating the total cost of ownership, that is TCO, for each cloud solution. This exercise helps us gauge the overall expense, making our decision economically informed. In our scenario, geographical location plays a crucial role too. We opt for a provider with data centers strategically positioned in the regions that align with our operational needs and ensuring data accessibility and efficiency. Our choice of cloud solution significantly impacts our ability to provide secure, efficient, accessible healthcare solutions to our users. It's the foundation on which we build our healthcare infrastructure, and this decision symbolizes the point where technology and healthcare converge, shaping the future of healthcare. So, these are the 5 points that we need to consider before choosing a cloud solution. Next slide.
So the best practices for cloud infrastructure. So now let's delve into the heart of cloud infrastructure. The best practices that ensure our healthcare solutions operate seamlessly and securely in the cloud. The first pillar of these practices is data encryption. Just as we protect sensitive information with a lock and a key, we implement end-to-end encryption for data in transit and at rest. This ensures that any data leaving our systems or residing in storage remains shielded from prying eyes. To adhere to the highest standards of data security, we embrace HIPAA compliance. Just as a medical professional allows strict ethical guidelines, we ensure that a cloud infrastructure adheres to HIPAA standards and guidelines for handling sensitive medical data. This guarantees the utmost privacy and security for patient information. Secure access control is another cornerstone of our cloud infrastructure. It's akin to the multiple layers of security at high-tech facility. We implement strict access control policies and utilize identity and access management to regulate user permissions. Only authorized individuals can regulate and manipulate data, ensuring confidentiality and data integrity. Compliance documentation plays a vital role similar to the meticulous record keeping of patient health records. We maintain comprehensive documentation of our security measures and compliance efforts. This documentation not only helps us ensure we are following best practices but also demonstrate our commitment to the highest standards of data security. Finally, we implement audit trails, much like tracking a patient's medical history. A cloud infrastructure records and monitors system activities. This comprehensive record keeping enables us to trace the who, what, when, and why of data access and usage, providing transparency and accountability. In the world where data is the lifeblood of our healthcare solutions, the best practices are our safeguards. They not only protect the privacy and security of patient data but also ensure the smooth and efficient operation of a cloud-based healthcare system. Next slide.
So the last question that we'd like to ask is, what are some of the quality testing related challenges and risks for the product uh, and the product line? So in our scenario, several quality testing challenges and risks come into focus. First, data accuracy and reliability. Think of it as a precision of a medical instrument, ensuring that the data we collect is not only accurate but also reliable is a monumental task. We must validate that the information collected from patients and devices is consistent and trustworthy. Data security and privacy. Just as a hospital safeguards patients' records, we must protect patient data. Our healthcare solutions involve sensitive medical information, and it's our duty to ensure strict compliance with privacy regulations. Data security is not negotiable. Third, interoperability. Healthcare involves various devices and systems, much like different departments in a hospital. Ensuring compatibility and integration between these devices is a considerable challenge. We must guarantee that the data flows seamlessly between them for comprehensive healthcare management. Fourth, real-time data synchronization. Picture patient's signs monitor. It needs to provide real-time data. Our system must ensure timely and accurate synchronization of data across devices, platforms, and healthcare professionals. The speed at which data is shared can be a matter of life and death. Fifth one, algorithm accuracy. Consider the precision required in a surgeon's hand. Validating the accuracy of data analysis algorithm used for recommendation is critical. These algorithms determine personalized recommendations and they must be thoroughly tested to ensure they provide the right guidance. Sixth, usability testing. Just as a medical device should be easy for a healthcare professional to use, our mobile app interface must be user friendly. We must ensure that our users, whether they are healthcare professionals or patients, can navigate the app effortlessly to access the information they need. Seventh would be compliance testing, that is, ensuring compliance with medical standards and regulation. The last point that we would like to cover would be the performance under load. Testing the system's performance under high loads is a critical factor and that should be considered. So, our journey to revolutionize healthcare is fraught with these challenges and risks, but overcoming them is not an option, it's a necessity. Just as medical professionals tirelessly work to enhance patients' well being, we too must relentlessly strive to provide the highest quality in healthcare solutions. So, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you so
With
much.
this, our presentation comes to an end. If you have any questions, please mail us to aslan.mulla20@viru.edu or prithviraj.sangle.sangle20@viru.edu. Thank you.